Confused by the overwhelming world of crypto trading bots? Let's cut through the noise and determine the best bot for you. 3Commas versus Cryptohopper. First up, functionality. 3Commas excels with its advanced DCA and grid bots, offering granular control over your strategies, perfect for experienced traders who want to fine-tune every parameter. Cryptohopper, on the other hand, boasts a more user-friendly interface and a strategy designer that's great for beginners. You can visually build and backtest your strategies with ease. Now, let's talk pricing. 3Commas offers a tiered subscription model with increasing features as you upgrade. Be aware of the transaction limits on lower tiers. Cryptohopper also has a subscription-based model, with each tier unlocking more advanced features and supporting a larger number of bots. Consider how many bots you realistically need. User interface is crucial. 3Commas has a steeper learning curve but provides more advanced tools once you master it. Cryptohopper is more intuitive, making it easier for newcomers to navigate. Ultimately, the best bot depends on you. 3Commas is ideal for experienced traders seeking maximum control, while Cryptohopper is perfect for beginners who want a user-friendly experience and a gentler learning curve. So, which bot will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto trading insights.